Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, September 10th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we wear red, white, and blue for Patriot Day. Patriot Day is September 11th. And here's a quote from President George Bush in 2008. We will always honor the heroes of 9/11. And here at this hallowed place, we pledge that we will never forget their sacrifice. Patriot Day is a day we recognize the casualties and the heroes of the terrorist attacks on September 11th in New York City. Today for breakfast, we'll have string cheese and muffin. For lunch, we have fish sandwich. On Monday for breakfast, we have cheese toast and sausage. And lunch, we have chicken tenders. Today's announcements. Attendance, please continue to post your attendance in Schoology. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. You must bring one with you each day to school. It is your responsibility to bring a mask every day to school and to have it on your face. Please make sure you have a mask when you leave your house. Today's late duty is Miss Peralta. Important dates. Today's the last day for our growth measure deadline for our HMH growth measure. Today is also mid-quarter. So we have reached the midpoint in our first quarter. September 17th is the iReady Math Diagnostic and the Reading Diagnostic deadline. September 22nd, we'll have PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is a teacher work day, no school for students. And October 12th is the start of the second quarter. School fundraiser. Make sure you give your envelope to your parents. You send email invitations to your friends. Write your prize code on the envelope and bring it back to school. You'll collect your prize. Teachers, please put any envelopes returned by your students in your red snack bag. Prizes will be fulfilled during the day and returned in the snack bag or delivered. The word of the day is data. Data is a collection of information. So you might be finding out how someone got to school today, maybe by car, truck, or bus, or you might be finding out a group of people's favorite kind of pizza. It's a collection of information, and you can take that collection of information and, like this person made a chart with X's, and they made a chart with tally marks. You can make bar graphs. You can represent that data in lots of different ways, but it's just a collection of information, and then you can do lots of different things to show what that information means. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.